So this is what it's looking like before. So we got an unboxing today. I got my new thingy for the nails. We got some tools in here. What these go to? It's really not nothing that some easy stuff. Put some stuff together. They say you can put some pieces around it. Oh, you can use it for this too. Or the so they got white, pink, and black. And I chose black because my best is black and gray. And every other. I don't know what these, maybe they go to the bottom. Oh yeah, they go up under here, I guess. And I'm gonna put this stuff together. I guess I'll see here. This must be a mat. Let me see. So those are the little screws I have in this little tool. You better keep it when you want to tighten something up. But I got a lot of these. I buy them from the hardware store because I work on my house all the time. So I'm quite sure I got about 3 of those around here somewhere. It's good to have an extra one. So let's see how big this mat is, because if it can lay across the whole desk, I could clean some stuff up with that. Oh, and it got a strap that I can snap it in when I'm done. That's good. Yeah. So yeah, you can put this around there. Well, I got it rolled a little bit loose, but however you want to do it, you can just snap it and lay it around. I guess that's nice. And so we're gonna get started. This is really looking like kind of sense right here. So you put one in each hole. Actually, I want to put it like this so I can. Alright, that's one in there. So the unboxing is pretty cool. This is something new, y'all. I ain't never did one of these. And I do this stuff, put these little tables and stuff together all the time. But I just wanted to unbox one with you guys. Yeah, I got some stuff to do with you guys. So this might be the nails that's making it fun. But I want to make sure that. Hold on, I gotta make sure I'm putting them in the right spot. Yes, I am. Okay, so certain ones fit certain places. I believe this one, we got a mesh one, so that's gonna go there. sometimes it do be like they fit in different spaces, which this is one that I guess is one on each side that's different. They don't all line up. It don't look like it. If they do, the one I put over here didn't go. So I had it turned different or something. I may have turned it different. You never know. But yeah. Oh. So just as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 2 extra screws. That's a good thing. Alrighty, so I got that together quick. I don't know how many minutes it took, but that was pretty cool. And I'm gonna put the bottom of these on there. I'm gonna keep up with this as well, just in case I might need to replace something. Don't let the dog in. I'm recording. Don't let him in. I'm recording. Okay. So one of these things came off already, so I know that they go on the bottom. there we go. There's one. There is two. There's three. And there's four. So guys, there we go. And I'm gonna show you guys this on my desk. So I'm gonna set it all up and then I'll let you guys see it later. I'll be back.